Hi, I'm Dr. Energon Bumblebee Bird.
And I'm evil scary boy Blam. And today, we're going to call Albania an attention seeker. Ha 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 ha.
Hey, you attention seeker. Please move out of the way. You need to pay attention, okay?
Yeah. I agree, Dark Energon Bumblebee Bird. So, do us a favor. Get out of our way, you freaking attention seeker.
Oh my freaking god. Darkneck and Bumblebee Bird and evil scary boy Blam. How dare you both call me an attention seeker? That's it. I'm calling both of you as parents. Go home right now.
Darkneck and Bumblebee Bird. How dare you call Albania an attention seeker? You know that he hates being called that. That's it. You are grounded for 9 days.
Go to your room right now.
What?
Evil scary boy Blam. How dare you call Albania an attention seeker? You know that he hates being called that. That's it. You are grounded for 12 days.
March upstairs to your room this instant. Or else.
No.